Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hold the temperature permanently on a Honeywell Programmable thermostat. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is my Honeywell Programmable thermostat. I'm going to show you how to create a permanent hold with the temperature. A permanent hold is essentially when you change the temperature and it will stay that way until you cancel the permanent hold. So if you have a permanent hold, it will stay at that temperature setting until you cancel the permanent hold. So it's very simple. What you want to do is essentially, okay, and right now I'm going to light up the screen so you'll be able to see a little bit better. What you want to do is essentially I'm going to try to say that again. What you want to do is essentially push or press the plus or minus button to change the temperature. So I'm going to change it to 20, let's say. I'll bring it back down to 19.5. And you're going to push the hold button over here. And that's going to alternate between temporary hold or permanent hold. Temporary hold or permanent hold. Once it gets to permanent hold, you can leave it alone. And then once it sets itself, you will have created a permanent hold. So just give it a second. Once that screen goes away and the temperature stops flashing. So sorry, not once the screen goes away. Once the backlight goes away and the temperature stops flashing, you've now created a permanent hold. Okay? It's that simple. If you want to cancel the permanent hold, you press the plus or minus button, and then you press the cancel button over here. Now, I'm not going to cancel my permanent hold, but I would press the cancel button over there to cancel it. That's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to permanently hold the temperature with a Honeywell Programmable thermostat, just like this one over here. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.